She knew only one thing. They had to be together. And nothing could keep them apart.
Where are you going? You're not going around there, are you?
I have to get my
Why are you bringing
Nothing.
Oh, please. It's not that bad. See? At least we got raised awareness.
You could come with me.
It's a grovel, I don't think so.
Are you worried about what he's going to do?
I did a decade like glass in his daughter's head. Maybe it's like that.
I knew you were saying that, didn't I?
It's nothing to do with that. It's not in the mood.
Don't worry. Happens all the time.
To you? No. And not to me either.
I'm sorry. You never something on your mind. You can talk to me.
Talk to you.
Yeah. Why not? I can do the whole listening thing.
Listen, I've got stuff to do. I've got lectures, so...
I'll come round after work.
Let John Lennon go. Distracted.
You don't have to do this, you know, Suzanne. You've given me so much stuff already. You don't know how to do that when you're setting the phone for the first time. Who's used all that water? Oh, that'll be the reason I got me some savings.
I'm just selfish. I'm supposed to be meeting Danny.